Go to Mask and select Rectangle. Set X-axis to 100 and Y-axis to 50. Import another clip. Go to Mask, Rectangle. Set X-axis to 100 and Y-axis to 25. Import another clip and repeat the same masking process. Adjust all clips properly. Select the first clip and add keyframes. Adjust them exactly as I am doing. Repeat the same for all clips. Go to Graph, select Cubic In, customize it exactly as shown. Apply the same graph to all clips. Go to Effects and search Motion Blur. Apply it to the first clip. Add keyframes. Set horizontal to 50 and intensity to 0. Copy and apply it to all clips. Export the project. Go to Effects. Add Shake Effect. Apply it to all clips and place it correctly. Open a new project and add the exported clips. Materials are pinned in my Telegram channel. Freeze the first clip at the last frame. Adjust the freeze with beats. Select the second clip. Set speed to 0.5 sec. Adjust with beats. Repeat for all clips except the 8th clip. Select the 8th clip. Set speed to 1 sec. Go to the second clip. Add keyframes. Zoom plus 60 and apply cubic out graph. Copy the clip and reverse it. Apply cubic in graph. Repeat for all clips except the 8th. Copy the 8th clip and sync it with beats. Add overlay. Go to Background Remover. Select Chroma Key and set intensity to 6. Add keyframes and adjust. Apply quad out graph. Copy the overlay clip and adjust. Go to Effects. Select Solution Effect and apply it behind the character. Set values: speed 6, glow 80, size 0, range 30, twist 100, intensity 25. Select Overlay Clip. Go to Adjust, Graph. Adjust exactly as shown. Add glow effect. Add white overlay. Set duration to 0.2 sec. Go to Splice and apply overlay. Add keyframes. Set intensity from 0 and 0. Apply. Ease out and ease in. Copy and apply to all new clips except reversed clips. Add text and apply it exactly as shown. Adjust clips to beats. Apply zero gravity effect. Add keyframes to the freezed clip. Zoom using your thumb. Select Shake Transition. Go to Effects. Add Shake Effect and apply to all clips. Add keyframes. Set intensity 40 and speed 0. Copy the shake effect. Replace it with camera shake effect. Add keyframes. Set range 0, speed 0 at first and last keyframe. Set speed 50 and range 50 at mid keyframe. Repeat where white overlay is used. Add vignette effect. Add keyframes. Set values 0, 0 and apply ease out and ease in. Apply to all reversed clips. Add sparks overlay. Go to Splice and apply filter. Adjust graph as shown. Add another overlay clip. Remove black background. Adjust graph as shown. Add Glow 2 effect to overlay. Add keyframes at every transition. Zoom at each keyframe. Apply Ease Out and Ease In graph. Go to Filters. Add 4K at 40. Add HitCam 2 at 50. Add Enhance at 55.